Hello my friends, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to find icons in Figma. So I know of actually two ways of doing this. First one being you can just go to Figma community like this, open up this link, and in the search bar just type in icons. And you can, as you can see, there are plenty of ready projects with icons. For example, you can choose this one, open. Okay, so this is going to be the project, and as you can see, we can just press on run, and we will have this little menu. So this will actually be a widget or an extension, as they call them, that will allow us to use this icon set. So let us just load it. As you can see, after that you can either search or choose the icons from here. So the easy method of finding icons is through the community. So I'm not really sure why is it not loading. Maybe this widget is broken. But anyway, I'm just going to show you the more easy way. So just open this button Actions, then go to Plugins and Widgets, and in here just type in icons 8. So as you can see, we have icons, illustrations, and photos. Just click on this, and this new window will appear. And now, as you can see, we have plenty of icons in here. So you can choose the different ones as well. As you can see, they have different designs and stuff. We have comic, connect. Yeah, we have a bunch of stuff. So you can now just choose which one you want. For example, emojis, and you can just place, let's say, this basketball onto your project. And now you can work with these icons. So this is the simplest way of adding icons and searching for them. Enjoy guys, if this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.